Locked out of your Hikvision NVR or DVR and can't remember the password? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to reset your Hikvision device password and get you back in control, whether it's for your security cameras or surveillance system. Today we'll cover how you can reset the password for your Hikvision NVR or DVR. Let's get started. First, you will need to open the Hikvision SADP tool. Link will be in the description. Then, you will check the box next to the NVR you want to reset. Click on the blue Forgot Password button at the bottom right. Click on the Export button and save the file to your desktop. Create a password reset ticket, linked in the description below. Fill out the form and attach the file saved on the desktop. Hikvision will review the file and send the secure code via email. Take this code and enter it into the import key field. Fill in your new password and click confirm. You have now reset the password. Congratulations, you now have access.